How to block ads on Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Facebook on a device. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now first of all, go to account center. You can simply tap on see more in account center. Now under account settings, tap on add preferences. Now tap on manage info. Now click on categories used to reach you. Now wait for some time. Now under choose profile information, tap on all the information and select no. Now repeat the process for all of them. Now simply go back, tap on view and manage. Now tap on remove on all of them. Now once you're done, simply go back. Now tap on customize ads. Now scroll down. Now under add topics. Now under add topics, you can find related add topics. Simply tap on the topic and tap on see list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.